What we've discovered through the range of evidence that we've taken is just how important a vibrant and a forward-looking town centre is to communities across Wales. But we also found worryingly that not enough has been done until now to make sure that they are supported, particularly at a time when the economy is in trouble. If you look at the lead coming from the centre, one of our key recommendations will be that the Welsh Government and the ministers with responsibility need to take a far more cohesive and joined up ministerial leadership role in terms of pushing the agenda. It's about local businesses feeling that they have the tools as well to make sure that they can develop town centres as they like, but we think that that lead from the centre is critical. That's not always happened in the past. There are a range of financial, economic and also policy levers that the Welsh Government does have at its disposal, which wouldn't require bigger changes to the actual remit of what the Welsh Government is expecting town centres and local authorities to do, but those tools need to be used. So I hope that this inquiry will put a real focus on town centres in Wales. People out there appreciate them massively. We don't want to see the sort of decline in our town centres that we've seen over the last 10, 20 years or so.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter. The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.